From my vantage point, I believe the biggest gap between AI ambition and operational reality isn't the lack of ambition or even the compute power. I think it's a trust gap. And we believe at Adlib that that's really fueled by unstructured data that's sort of stuck in documents. Some call this dark matter. And specifically in the energy sector, you've got leading companies, and Hamish and Luke being like go-to-market experts that you are, you probably see this on a daily basis where these companies, forward-leaning companies, they're building like these Ferrari AI models, highly sophisticated, autonomous agents, often fueling them with like low-octane data because they're only fueling them typically with standardized structured data, which is maybe 20-25% of like the total data pool. So it's really low octane data. It's not that knowledgeable in terms of like what's really going on with the organization. So what I find is like most organizations are trying to point these models at decades of unverified PDFs, handwritten maintenance logs, maybe some disconnected engineering records. And when the AI actually encounters that dark data of unstructured content, the AI simply just performs poorly. We would say maybe it hallucinates, doesn't get it right, but it's not accurate. And in highly regulated industries like energy, that's just simply unacceptable. So you end up seeing AI projects get sort of stuck in this experimental purgatory as opposed to like scaling and truly providing ROI to the organization. So that's what we're seeing is that the gap is really this absence of a, let's call it like a governed accuracy layer that transforms this raw content into what we would call like a document of record that AI can actually reason against with certainty. And that's primarily where Adlib plays.